G wasn't even recording. Okay. What is up, guys? It's your girl Ellie. Welcome back to a video. I haven't really been posting a lot, so you're probably just like, who is this? Just welcome. Today I decided to do like a green look because I'm bored and I just got back from work. Technically I didn't just get back from work. I got back like 6 hours ago. Okay. But here's the look that I did today. If you want to know how I got it, then keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to use is my James Charles palette. And I'm going to be going back and forth with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and the James Charles. So yeah, I'm going to go in with this light green. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this green in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So now I'm going to go in with the darker green from the James Charles palette with the same type of brush. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with this really light, this one? Yeah, this really, not really light green, but this limeish green from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna take that up to the top. Now I'm just gonna clean it up with the darker green from the James Charles palette.
Wi-Fi! Just tell me they ain't really friends. Ex-girl, she the female version of me.
Okay. Now I'm going to blend it with this brush right here. I'm going to take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette Rio edition. In here, I'm going to take this shimmer green next to this blue, and I am going to go from my inner corner slightly out to my outer corner. So now I'm going to go back to the James Charles palette and go in with this gold color. I don't have the little sheet, so I really don't know the names. It's gonna go like right in between my crease. So from here to here. Now I'm just gonna clean up the glitter like that's not, you know, straight with a brush kind of like this. I'm gonna go in with this green again. I'm gonna go in with this green again from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. Where along the lines, stop seeing eye to eye.
I'm gonna do my inner corners, and I'm gonna use this light shimmer next to this really white one. I don't know the names, so, but it's this one right here across from that one, you know. So. And I'm gonna do my brow bone with the same color. Instead of using the little, the smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with this bigger brush for the brow bone. So lastly, I'm going to take the darkest green from the James Charles palette. I'm going to show you again, Charles palette, this one right here. I'm going to put it under my lower lash. Alright guys, this is the finishing look for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment below anything else you want me to try. I know I'm really in for things that I don't know how to do. And subscribe, and I'll see you guys the next time I post.